Hi, Rocky Grove. We are back again to give you another duet. We just happen to have two tenor saxophones laying around the house. So I found this old book that I had when I was a kid, Advanced Methods for Saxophone. Apparently I was not happy about it. There's a Mr. Yuck sticker on it. But it has a bunch of duets in it. This one, oh, yeah, the thunder is making too much noise. Anyway, so we're going to play a little ditty by Mozart. So here we go. Well, that's fine, Keeg. My lips are tired already. It's been a long time since I played the saxophone, especially the tenor. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully we'll bring you another one tomorrow.